Okay, good day, guys. It's still lunch hour, so I'm gonna fit in a quick COMMGiving post for websites that will win. All right, websites that will win. This morning I shared the filter bubble, but that's more for readers, right? Um, and I guarantee you, if you stick to these basic, extremely basic website tips, you will still win the day, even if you get caught in the sieve. You know, the algorithmic sieve. Like, they only click on Democratic websites and your Republican website. When they search for Republican stuff, your website will come up. So these quick, basic website tips. Okay. Number one, you don't want to use free photos or kind of photos that other people can buy, because within your lifetime, and I guarantee within the year, you will run across a website using the same photos as you. So if you're gonna buy a photo like on Getty Image or Pixabay, buy it outright. So I tell you, that is probably one of the most expensive things you will spend on your website. All right, is buying outright, the photos and the graphics, maybe the background for your website, images for your website outright, so no one else can use it. Because I swear to you, within the year after you build you will run into another website with the same images. You'll be like, what is this? It sucks. My website sucks. So you want to avoid that, especially if you're very serious about your website. Number two, all you have to do is just use proper HTML punctuation, which is, at the top of the page is a H1 header. And then if you got subheaders, it's H2. You can even go as far down as H3. But, but don't put paragraphs as headers. Just put paragraphs as paragraphs. So it's like H1 at the very top. And then you might have like, sections on your web page. So it's H2 and then a paragraph, H2 and then a paragraph, H2 and a paragraph. You do that, it's very pleasing to read, and you will win. What else? You should fill out, the title of each page. So keep your website very, very, very simple, like about us, homepage, different categories, different sections. And then if you got a blog, each blog post has its own title, right? And then I think that's it. I think that's it. And then as the need arises, you might add like e-commerce, shopping cart. You shop around for one that suits your time and your technical ability, right? And so on, as you add bells and whistles, just shop around, that suits your technical ability. But those are the very basic things you gotta know about website. And nowadays, if you use, maybe WordPress, maybe Wix even, I'm sure there's a feature all you have to do is just click it and make it mobile friendly, right? You can even make it accelerated mobile page friendly. You can make it even like Facebook container mobile publishing friendly, whatever they all call it. I'm sure it's on there. Just click it. All right. And then they can read it on their mobile device. They read it in their Facebook feed, news feed, if you're so lucky to get on there, right? But you follow those things. Original photos, you either take them or you buy them outright. Proper HTML punctuation, H1, H2, perhaps if you have subsections, H2, paragraph, H2, paragraph, H2, paragraph. All right. And also, do this for the blind. Do this for blind. I just like doing it for the blind now. Is like add alt tags, right? Like this image and then alternative text. just for the blind, poor blind people, right? I mean, if you got a website, you want to do that? You want to go back and do it? You can just do it moving forward, or you can spend a weekend, make it a project doing it for the blind. Alt text, image of so on and so forth. That's it. Very simple tips. What else can I say? And your lunch break is over. Bye bye.